So what I did is I made a batter out of the Kool-Aid. I took flour, water, Kool-Aid, and a nice little thick batter over here. And basically, we just kind of make little, kind of like donut holes. All right. They get ready to come up to the top and fry them for about a minute. All right. Now, take them over here. Put them right there. You know, growing up, I was a big fan of Kool-Aid. We drank Kool-Aid growing up, so I thought, why not fry it? See what happens. And next thing you know, look at this. I tried it at home one time, and the very first time I took a bite, I could really taste the flavor of the cherry Kool-Aid, and I thought, this is going to go really well in San Diego. I got to try it out, see what happens. And as more and more people were trying it, and more liked it, I thought this is going to be a big hit. So.